India-Australia's virtual bilateral summit is underway. India-Australia come together for a noble cause. This is the first time that India is participating in a bilateral summit. India and Australia have entered into a strategic partnership, and India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi sends a subtle message to China that it is the noble obligation of every nation to uphold the rule of law, transparency, harmony, and to extend respect to other nations. The alliance is seen as a harbinger of peace and harmony in the Indo-Pacific region. At present time, when the values of freedom, democracy, and mutual respect are being challenged, it is very important to strengthen the ties between each other. PM Narendra Modi also thanked the Australian government for taking care of Indian students stuck in Australia. Likewise, the Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said that India's role in the Indo-Pacific region is very crucial in the years to come. He also appreciated the India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his leadership in international fora such as G20. To sum up, the long-awaited meet between India and Australia, which was repeatedly being postponed because of n number of reasons, finally took place virtually. The main agenda of the meeting was to come together in future to restore harmonious and peaceful atmosphere in the Indo-Pacific region. Both the Prime Ministers thanked each other and appreciated each other's leadership. There was a light-hearted discussion of samosas, khichdi, and famous Modi's hug. All in all, this virtual summit was a celebration of prosperous relationship between India and Australia, which had and will prevail in future.